So how can I set up a clean kernel, a clean environment to test my code from scratch? So here I have a little script, a equals hello world, print hello world. So I can run this by going up to run and clicking on the run. I can also hit the F5 key, or I can just click this run button up here. And when I do that, that's going to run down in the IPython console down in the bottom right, and I can see that it prints hello world. And it's actually going to save that variable into this IPython console environment. So now I can just type A down here, and it'll print hello world. Now when I say I want you to make sure that your code runs in a clean environment, that means that before you turn a code in, before you turn in any script that you call up here, you want to come up to this Python console that's in the bottom right, and you want to go to this kind of looking like an eraser thing that says remove all variables, and you click on that. All user-defined variables will be removed. Are you sure you want to proceed? Go ahead and click yes. It removes all the variables. So now if I hit A, it doesn't remember what I previously ran. So this code I will be running completely fresh. So this is a way to purge everything, to make sure that as you're kind of practicing with code and typing things in, it's not retaining previous code that you typed in that wouldn't be present in a script if you make a change for some reason. So I can run again. It's going to print hello world, and I can see that A is right back there where it belongs. Remove my variable, and my A is gone. So that's an easy way to make sure that your console is clean.